Hey guys, this video is something that I've been waiting for 6 years or something like that. Something insane. So, if you watched my candle collection video, you probably got a bit of a backstory into Bath and Body Works. So when I first ever got my job, I was really into candles and I loved Bath and Body Works, and they were only in America at the time. They've only recently just opened up Australian stores and they now have an Australian website, but I'll get to that in a minute. I think there's something in my eye. There is always something in my eye. So yeah, the only way I used to be able to get Bath and Body Works candles was from eBay. Hang on, oh my god. But yeah, anyway, I was fully obsessed. Like, I used to follow all of the candle accounts and all that kind of stuff. Like, and I used to, every week when I got paid about $100 a week. When I first got my job at 14, and every week my pay would go straight on the candles, and I was obsessed, and I still have them now. I haven't used a full one up yet. Oh, actually I might have, I don't know, but yeah, I'm obsessed. I love them. So I've been waiting forever for Bath and Body Works to come down here, and for ages I was just so upset that I had to unfollow all the candle accounts because I was sick of seeing all the ones I couldn't get. And anyway, it was a whole mess. Anyway, I found out they released a store in Australia like 3 years ago, I think, and when Sam and I went on our trip to Melbourne like 3 years ago, we went and visited the store. They didn't have any I liked. So I was like, oh well, at least we're getting a step closer. And then when we went on our Brisbane trip last year, they also had a Bath and Body Works at Pacific Fair. Is that what it's called? I think. Anyway, we went there. Again, couldn't find any I like, but still, I was like, we're getting closer. I even asked the woman in the shop, when are you getting an online store? Like, will you ever come to Tasmania? Like, I was determined to get answers. I don't know why. One day I was just like, oh, I wonder how Bath and Body Works is going, and I went onto their Australian Instagram, and they were like, we have an online store now, and I was like, and this is pretty recent, okay, so this is probably about maybe 2 months ago. I was like, oh my god, my lifelong dream has come true. I'm so excited, like I cannot wait. Anyway, go to make my order, everything's good. They ship to everywhere in Australia apart from Tasmania, and I swear my heart shattered. I was like, I'm so close, and they keep testing me, like, so I went through everything. I called Bath and Body Works. I was commenting on their Instagram posts like, when are you going to ship to Australia? Please when are you going to ship to Tasmania? Please ship to Tasmania. Why don't you ship to Tasmania? I called and everything, like, and I was like, hey, just wondering when are you going to ship to Tasmania? I was invested in this, so I was checking Bath and Body Works pretty much every day, seeing when they would finally ship to Tasmania, and they finally ship to Tasmania. So I placed my first order, and this video is a whole ride, but I have no idea what happened. So I placed one order, my very first order, then about a week later I placed another. With my first order, I ordered originally 8 things, I think, and then like I feel like they are just in the start of getting their shipping and stuff up, because their site and the way they're running their business at the moment is pretty average. Like, so my first very order was on the 30th of June, and I ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things, and only 6 of them arrived. But let me tell you a story. So my whole order was $199. That was fine. I did it through Afterpay, and then one day I got a message saying that I had a refund, and they refunded me for one of, I worked out what it was by the price. Like, they refunded me $26.95, and that was the price of one of the shower gels. So I was like, okay, I guess like one of the shower gels isn't coming, that's fine. But they never sent me an email to say that they were refunding it. The only reason I got an email was from actual Afterpay, not from Bath and Body Works. So I was like, okay, it's a bit weird. Anyway, then I got another refund of the rest of my order. They refunded the rest of my order. Once again, never said anything. This was about a week later, and I was starting to think, does that mean my order's not coming? Like, have they sold out of everything? So yeah, it was fully refunded on Afterpay. I got all my money back. I called and she just said, oh yeah, one of the things is out of stock. But then I asked her about my other refund and she had no idea what was going on. She was just kind of like, yeah, I don't know, sorry, you might have to contact Afterpay. And I'm like, anyway, my order showed up, so I'm guessing I just didn't pay for it. I don't know what the hell went on, because I didn't, like, there was no contact with Bath and Body Works. Like, the only email I ever received from them was the first email saying we've received your order. I never got a shipping email. I never got anything about the refund. Like, I feel like there's just a little bit of lack of communication, and I just feel like maybe that's something that they'll work on as their site continues. But anyway, so that was fine. I ended up technically not paying for one of my orders. Still don't know why. Very confused. But anyway, then I did another order on the 10th of July, so about a week later, and I just ordered 3 things, and that order was fine. I still never got a shipping email or anything like that, just the order confirmation. And when you view your order status, it just says authorized. It doesn't tell you what's kind of going on or anything, so you're kind of left in the dark a little bit. Anyway, both of my orders arrived today. They're still whole. But yeah, that's my little thing. I just feel like at the moment they just have like a bit of a lack of communication. Like, after you place your order, you're kind of just waiting for a month, like, what's going on? And it was just weird, especially getting refund emails. I was like, does that mean I'm not receiving this order anymore, or what's the go? But anyway, let's get into the haul. I've already burnt one of them while I was filming because I'm impatient. So I'll just go through what was in my original order. They refunded 1 shower gel, and then also a sugar scrub didn't show up as well, which I'm guessing, I mean, I don't know why, if it got refunded or if they forgot it, but I didn't pay for my order, so I feel like I can't really complain. But anyway, okay, so in my original order, I got this 1 wick candle, and this is called Into the Night. It looks like this. And it has black wax. I think that's so cool. I can't tell if I like this. It kind of smells kind of like men's cologne, kind of. I don't know. It's just different for me. Usually I'm a very, very sweet candle person, so I think it's just throwing me off a bit that it's quite fresh. I do think I like it, but I'm just unsure. Anyway, got that. Then I also got this one. This is the one that I just that I burnt before. This one is called Endless Weekend, and I feel like this one's a bit the same. It's quite like subtle, but it smells kind of more fresh and like men's cologne kind of. Oh, it smells really good. I do really like it. I was saying today to one of my friends that it's hard because Bath and Body Works is obviously like an American brand, and over there at the moment it's summer, and over here it's winter, so their releases don't line up with the time of year over here, because they're releasing all these summery scents, and over here I want kind of warm scents and like, you know, wintry scents, but they're obviously in their summer at the moment, so it's like, you know. But anyway, I can always keep these for summer and burn my winter ones now, if you know what I mean. Anyway, that's fine. Also, in my first order, I picked up this 3 wick candle called Paris Cafe, and it says rich roasted coffee, sugared, I don't know how to say that, brioche, and vanilla cream. I don't really like this, if I'm being honest. Oh, I don't know. I'm kind of considering, I'm wondering if I should put it in a giveaway. Like, don't get me wrong, it smells nice, but it's just not what I thought. It smells like coffee, but it kind of smells like stale coffee. I don't know. I don't know. It's kind of growing on me more. Maybe it'll smell nice when it's burnt. I don't know. Should I put it in a giveaway or should I keep it? I don't know. Help. Anyway. Also, I got another 3 wick candle. This one is in the scent Vanilla Birch. And the scent description is white, birch bark, Madagascar vanilla, and warm sandalwood. I think I like this, but I kind of don't know. I'm kind of like... But the actual design of it is really cute, because down this bottom bit, it's like textured. So all of this here is flat, but then this is textured. It's really nice. Anyway. It smells like vanilla, but it has such a weird like edge to it. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I can't tell if I like it. It's odd. It's very odd, but it's kind of nice. I don't know. I feel like I'm quite basic with the scents I like. Like, I'm really like a vanilla caramel or like butterscotch, you know. I'm quite a basic candle girl, and I feel like these ones are a bit more kind of like intricate scents, if you know what I mean. So I'm kind of confused, but anyway. Then I also got 2 shower gels. I didn't realize these were minis, so these are 13 bucks each, and I feel like that's a lot for how small these are. 88 mils. So I don't know, but anyway, I got one called Into the Night, and that's the same as the candle I got, so it smells the same. I feel like this is much nicer as a shower gel rather than a candle, but I don't know, either way. And then I also got this one. I got this one for free because, well, I got it all for free, but the deal was like buy 3 body care, get 1 free, so that's why, yeah. But anyway, this one is called 1,000 Wishes. And this one is very fresh. I don't know how to... You know what it kind of smells like? It kind of smells like acrylic. Nail acrylic. I don't know. It's quite nice. Anyway, that was everything I got in my first order. And then in the second order, I got this. How cute is this? So this is a, it's called a sleeve, like a candle sleeve. And so you just sit your candle in here. Like, yeah, 3-wick one. Just like... And that is just so cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I mean, you could probably sit your... It's not designed for the one or the single wicks, but I feel like it's still cute. Anyway, so I got that. And then I think these 2 next candles are probably my favourite. I got this one here called Daydream. And I love the packaging. It's so cute. It's like just a rainbow. Oh, and it smells so good. I don't even know how to describe it. It says fresh raspberry, sparkling pear, and pink lily petals. It's like sweet, but really fresh. Like, really, really nice. Oh, I love that. Yum. Okay. And then the last one I got is called Tiki Beach, and this one is so, so good. I love it. Yes! Oh my god, it smells like... It's like fresh, but really sweet and like coconutty and just warm. Like melts my heart. I don't know, it's so good. Anyway, so that was everything I ordered at Bath & Body Works. I'm so excited that they're finally here. I feel like my life has changed forever. I have put in another order, so you'll probably see another haul soon. Yeah, I'm obsessed and I love my life now that Bath & Body Works is in it. I feel like pretty much my whole life has led up to this point. And I can't believe that I'm actually here doing this. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next one. Bye!